back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I have a very exciting shopping haul from PRIMARK. This is my very first time shopping at that store and I could not believe my eyes on all the amazing things that I found in that store. I'm so glad I shopped there. They literally have everything. They have stuff for women, men, children, even like household items and decor stuff. I was obsessed when I went into that store. I need to go back and get some more items, and I just had to pick up a bunch of stuff for spring and summer since the summer is going to be here very soon, and for some reason I can't find my summer clothing. I don't know what I did with it. But anyway, before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that's pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So here's everything that I got. I got a lot of new things and I'm so happy with everything that I purchased there. So let's get started. So I did pick out this incredible, beautiful sports set, and I got this super cute, soft pink tank top. It's like ribbed material, but it's so stretchy. It's like so nice. It literally like hugs your body. It is adorable, and I got the shorts to go with it. So the shorts were only $6. Like, what? Like, this is incredible. Everything there is so affordable, and I love the waistband on these shorts. They are so stretchy. This is definitely going to snatch your body. And the top was also $6. So literally this entire set was $12. What an amazing deal. Next, I have this adorable cardigan. I mean, this can be like a cardigan, or it can also be like a swimsuit cover-up, but I did find this in the clothing section, so it's definitely a little cardigan. But look how pretty this is. This is adorable. It is gorgeous. It's in this like soft ivory color, and it has all this gorgeous like lace detail. Like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is gonna look so pretty with some shorts and a tank top. Look how pretty. And it has like a little like string here that you can tie in the front. Like, absolutely adorable. This was $16. I got a few pairs of shorts. Like I said, I can't find my summer items and I can't find any shorts. So I got these and I could not believe the price on these shorts. They are incredible. I got these mom shorts and these were only $14. Like, look how cute these are. Like, wow, the material is so nice. It's not stretchy, but it's so nice. Very soft. They are really high-waisted, which I really love, and I am so happy with these shorts. Like, so pretty. I love the color. They had multiple colors in there. What's about? Really need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. And then I also got this adorable pink shorts. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. Like, the moment I saw these, I picked them up right away. They are frayed on the bottom. Like, look how cute. Like, so pretty. These are called the high-waisted shorts. They were also $16. And they look incredible. Like, so freaking cute. And I love the color on these. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. I also got a little tank top. You can never go wrong with a tank top, and I needed actually a white one, so it's just like a very basic white tank top, and this was literally $3. Super cute. I got these shorts in this cream color. Super pretty. These are very, very, very stretchy, very lightweight. They do have little front pockets. These are only $18. And these are more like dressy type of shorts that you can either dress up or down, but these are definitely like a must, and I always gravitate towards light colors in the summertime. I also picked up these other pairs of shorts, which I thought were so freaking cute. These are in this super lightweight material. I think these are like linen, and they have this really cute detail in the front that you can tie, and look at the print on these. They're so pretty. So I'm going to style these with a black top, and you're not gonna believe the price on these. These were literally $9. Like, incredible. And they also had these in like a beautiful green color, which I think I'm gonna go back and get as well, because you can never go wrong with dressy shorts like these. So pretty.
Show me love, this is all we got. Show me love.
I also got this beautiful striped dress. I used to have a dress like this way long ago, and when I saw this, I had to get it. It's so pretty. It looks so gorgeous, and it's off the shoulder. It just looks so pretty. This was literally only $16. It's so soft, very, very stretchy, and this you can definitely dress up or down. If you wear like a denim jacket over, you can dress it down, or you can dress it up with some heels. But I thought this was such a pretty dress, and it's such an incredible price.
This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got.
So the last thing I got are some socks, and I thought these were so pretty. Look at all the pinks and all the colors in these socks. Like, how cute. You get literally like all these colors, 5 pairs of socks for only $4.50. Like, I had to get these. These are definitely a must. I almost forgot to mention this top that I'm actually wearing. This is also from PRIMARK, and it's a linen top. It's called the boyfriend shirt, and it's linen. It's super pretty. It's lightweight. It's cropped, and it's absolutely adorable. Like, I am obsessed with this shirt. You can dress this up or down, wear this with some jeans, some shorts. I love this top so much, and I love the fact that it's like short on the sleeves. It's like perfect for the summer and spring. So that was everything I got from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll try to link the names of these items. Unfortunately, you cannot shop these items online. I really wish you could, but you have to actually find an actual store. I don't know why they don't sell them online. Like, you can go on their website and check them out, but you can't buy them. That's the only downside to that. But anyway, I hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Show me love.